Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel and thank you for watching me. And today I'm so excited to share with you and I will reviewing something special. It's very special for me. It's my first mystery box from Jeffree Star. It's so cool. I like these packages. It's like Valentine heart. It's so cool. I won't open. I'm so excited. And bam! I can't wait to open and see what is it inside. You can see its pocket. You can see its pocket like this. I already like this hat. It's so cool. I want order this hat. Okay, and I show you what inside. First one, come head. So cool. I will try it later. Second one. I don't know what is it. I will open now. I'm so excited, guys, really. Jeffree Star, it's one of the favorite YouTube vloggers, not just YouTube vloggers. He's really honest guy and amazing person. This t-shirt, I ordered size medium, you can see. It looks like this. I will wear it in LA, this 100%. I like so much. Cool. Okay, I'm like baby, I'm so like excited to open this. Legend only, you can see like this. Package it, starting. Amazing package. Jeffree Star packages, I think one of the best, really. This color. Beautiful color. I don't know the smell. Smell good. You can see it's like lip gloss, like milky, like caramel milk. I don't know. You will see on my skin. It's beautiful. It's lip gloss. Smells so good. I like so much. Another one, liquid lipstick. So cool. I will open. It's red lipstick, I think. I will swatch again for you. It's cute color. It's like, I don't know. Smell always good. You can see this color. It's beautiful color. I like. It's not metallic. It have like metallic, but not too crazy metallic. I like. Again, I like so much. I don't have this color. Jeffree Star. Thank you. And cool. It's straw. How he's cool. But tell me, he's amazing. He's for environment. He's doing this metal straw. It's such a cool straw. Really, I want this straw order. Thank you, Jeffree. You put it in my bag. I like so much. Another. I can't wait to open. I don't know what is it. I like ta-da. And this mini breaker. Cool. I like this too. I don't have this one. I'm so excited. Everything. Mini breaker. Mini breaker, cool. I like. Can you see? Another one. I like how it's packaged, really. It's very well done package. It's like simple, but people spend time to put every stick. It's very important. Very nice, very nice. And what is it? We can open now. Ta-da! This 24 karat. You can see, because I don't know, my camera. You can see it's like nice. Always beautiful packages. Jeffree Star always have nice packages. Oh my god, this package. This package like blim my camera. Hey, on the moon, you hear me? So cool. It's 24 karat gold. Ah, beautiful. I today have a photo shoot. Now it's 7 in the morning. I have photo shoot and 10. I have girls. I think I will use this so much today. Cool. like two. Okay, it's something big. I don't know what is it. We'll see. I will open. So excited. Yes! I don't have this mirror. I don't have. I now I have. It's so cool, white. It's amazing. Jeffree Star, well done. It's cool. It's nice quality mirror. When I would say like, mirror on the wall. No, mirror on my hand. So cool. I like this package so much. And Jeffree Star approve. Okay, and I'm so happy with my mystery box. I like really everything. Well done, Jeffree. Okay, guys, thank you for watching me today. Really amazing day. Jeffree Star make my day. Today just 7 in the morning, and I'm so happy with everything I get. And thank you so much for watching me. Please subscribe if you still not subscribed. And have a good day. Bye.